Hello, everyone, and hello, Mr. Osmar. I am Joana Sanchez Ramon. I am a student of Level 6B in the English course. Okay, let me introduce you a short description and comparisons between two important cities in Colombia. Let me see. Okay, Medellin, Antioquia. Medellin has an elevation of 1,495 meters. Medellin has an area of 382 square kilometers. The foundation of Medellin was on March 2 in 1616. Medellin has a population about 2,569,000 in 2020. The weather in Medellin is about 19 degrees Celsius and the north wind at 5 kilometers per hour and 93% of wet. Barranquilla Atlántico. Barranquilla has an area of 154 square kilometers and has an elevation of 18 meters. The foundation of Barranquilla was in April 7 of 1813. The population of Barranquilla is about 1,206,000 in 2018. The weather in Barranquilla is about 27 degrees Celsius and north winds at 16 kilometers per hour and 79% of wet. Okay, let me show you the comparatives between these important cities. Which one is larger? Medellin is larger than Barranquilla. Which one is hotter? Barranquilla is hotter than Medellin. Which one is older? Medellin is older than Barranquilla. Which one is windier? Barranquilla is windier than Medellin. Which one is more interesting? Medellin is more interesting than Barranquilla. Which one is more dangerous? Medellin is more dangerous than Barranquilla. Which one is steadier? Medellin is steadier than Barranquilla. Which one is more stressful? Medellin is more stressful than Barranquilla. Okay, let me see the superlatives. Which one has the most important fall festival in the country? Barranquilla is home to one of the most important folk and cultural festivals of Colombia, recognized by UNESCO in 2013. Moreover, was declared a national cultural heritage by the Congress of Colombia in 2001. Okay, which one is the most innovative city in Colombia? In February of 2013, the Urban Land Institute chose Medellin as the most innovative city in the world due to its recent advance in politics, education, and social development. Okay, that is all. See you soon. Bye bye.